Good morning, students. How are you? Once again, welcome to online classes. Yes, already in your previous class, we learned about the two important lessons, that is Indian election system, and the second lesson and parliament and the central government. Once again, in the previous sessions, we learned the two important lessons, that is election system in India and parliament and the central government too we learn. Yes, I think you are carefully observed these classes and you note down all these material I think. Listen here. Now we are going to learn about another important lesson, that is the chapter 3 from your textbook, Earth Movements and Seasons. Earth Movements and Seasons. Listen, in your 6th class, we learnt about the earth. I shown the globe. I draw the picture on the blackboard, that is called globe. What is the shape of the earth? The earth is spherical in shape. Yes, I told you, do you remember or not? The earth never still stand. The earth never still stand. That means the earth always moving. The earth always moving. Moving means rotate. It is revolves. So this is called earth movements. Already we discussed if earth is rotate always, why do not we fall down? Because earth have the magnetic power, so we can't fall down. Listen, another important thing is on the earth, along with the human beings, some other human beings are also on the earth. Along with us, other communities like animals, trees, birds, insects, etc. also habitate on the earth. Understand or not? You observe surroundings. Trees are there, animals are there, birds, insects, all these are also living beings on the earth. So these are called the different communities. You know, yes. Listen, have you observed your surroundings? Have you observed surroundings? Yes. In the surroundings, if you observe, the trees are there. We observe some seasons. In some seasons, some kinds of fruits are available. Another season, another kind of fruits are available. Another season, fruits are available. If you observe in the atmosphere or surroundings, automatically we may find some changes. That is called as seasons. We have find some change. That means sometimes trees are full of leaves. Trees are full of leaves. Sometimes trees shed their leaves. And sometimes trees get new shoots. These are changes. These are the changes in in the world. Listen, some trees, in some season, the trees have full of leaves. In some season, these trees shed their leaves, and some season, these trees shoot out it get new shoots. It is a new shoots. So these are called changes. It is called as seasons. Do you know, in your previous class, I told you the earth is always moving. How does the earth moves, do you know? How does the earth moves? Yes, generally the many people think the earth moves from east to west, I think. The many people simply think this is the earth, shape of the earth. Earth is spherical in shape, just like a ball. I told number of things in your sixth class. We learned lot of information about earth in your sixth class. Now we are getting some more information about the earth and the seasons. Listen, this is the earth. This is the earth. Generally, this is the east. This is west. Generally, people think the earth rotates from east to west. East to west because the sun rises in the east, it is set in the west. Because of that particular thing, the many people think the earth is earth moves from east to west. Not like that. That is wrong. The earth rotates, or the earth earth moves from west to east. West to east. Understand? Not from east to west. Why we think generally east the sun rises, west sunset is there. So we think like that. Actually, the earth is, this is right, this is left, you feel. So always the earth rotates around the sun from west to east or left to right, and simply we have to say anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. The earth always move in anti-clockwise direction. That means west to east. This is the information about earth rotation. Okay. Listen, I told the earth have two motions. It is called two movements. Do you know how many movements of the earth? Do you know? The earth have two movements, or it is also called two motions. Look. The earth have two movements. Yes, what are the two movements? Number one, earth rotation, and second one, earth revolution. Listen, how many movements are there? The two motions. Because of the movement of the earth, the seasons are formed. day and nights are formed. The fruits are giving by the trees. In the different seasons, different fruits are there. So how it is possible? Different changes took place in the atmosphere. So due to rotation and revolution of earth, all these changes took place on the earth. Listen, now we can discuss about each one. The first I can explain you about earth rotation. Yes, what is earth rotation and what is earth revolution? Yes, one of the motion of the earth is called earth rotation. Yes, what do you know about earth rotation? Yes, the earth rotate around itself on its own axis like a top is called as earth rotation. Carefully listen. Once again I am explaining. Earth rotation means the earth rotate around itself on its own axis like a top is called as earth rotation. Understand? Do you know what is the top? Top means the shape. This is the top. I can draw. You know very well about. Sometimes we play with this. This is the this is called axis. That means the earth rotate from left to right or west to this is west, this is east. Yes, that is called earth rotation. Understand? Once again, the earth rotate around itself on its own axis like a top is called as earth rotation. Do you know at what pace earth will rotate? The earth rotate around itself at the speed of 1610 kmph. Kilometer per kmph hour. Understand? The earth, once again, the earth rotate itself at the speed of 1610 kilometers per hour. It is the system. Do you know how much time will take to complete one rotation? How much time will take to complete one rotation? Yes. Generally, we say 24 hours. Of course, maybe approximately 24 hours, but strictly we say it is 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09 seconds. Once again, somewhat confused, be carefully. That means for one rotation, the earth takes 1 day, that is 24 hours approximately. But exactly we have to say 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4.09 seconds it takes. This is the information about the earth rotation. Yes, already I told what is the earth rotate on its own axis. What is called axis? Axis means, listen, I can write here. Axis means an imaginary line which connects from North Pole to North Pole to South Pole, from North Pole to South Pole through center of the earth, center of the Okay, listen once again. Axis. What is called axis? Axis is nothing but an imaginary line. Listen. This is the earth. This is the earth. Listen. The earth have two endpoints. The earth have two endpoints. That is the north. The 90 degrees of north is called as North Pole. The south end is called as, this is also 90 degrees, it is a South Pole. That means an imaginary line connects North Pole to South Pole, middle of the earth is called the axis. Okay, understand? The earth rotates around its own axis. Like a top, that is nothing but this is axis. The earth have two end poles. One is north, another is south. It is imaginary line. The imaginary line which is connects from North Pole to South Pole through middle of the earth is called as axis. Okay, that means the one day take to complete the earth revolution, earth rotation. It is a 24 hours. Okay. Any doubt? Yes. What are the effects of earth rotation? What are the effects of earth rotation? Due to earth rotation, day and nights are formed. Day and nights are formed. How? Listen, already I told you the earth is spherical in shape. The earth is spherical in shape. This is the sun. When the earth rotates around itself, the half portion of the earth was come to opposed to the sun. Yes, this portion receives light. The remaining portion became a dark. Darkened portion is called as night, and lightened portion is called as a day. This is the day. Understand once again? The main important effect of the earth rotation is day and nights are formed. That is a fundamental effect of the earth rotation. That means when the earth rotate half of the portion comes to opposite to the sun. So this half portion may get sunlight. It became a lightened portion. This lightened portion is called as a day. It is called a darkened portion is called as a night. So this also shows the earth is spherical in shape. Best example, do some experiment, small experiment. You take a cricket ball, take a torchlight and focus on the ball. Yes, only the front portion of the earth receive the light from torchlight. You feel torchlight is a sun, ball is a earth. Only half portion of the ball receives sunlight. So this is called as day and nights are formed due to earth rotation. Okay. Now I am going to bring off another important movement of the earth is called as earth revolution. Another important movement of the earth is called as earth revolution. Earth revolution. What is called revolution? Yes, already I told earth rotation. The second motion of the earth or a second movement of the earth is called as earth revolution. Revolution means the revolve, round. In the first rotation, earth rotates around itself only. In the second movement revolution, the earth rotates around itself and also rotates around the sun. Once again, the earth rotates around itself and also rotates around the sun is called a earth revolution. Earth revolution, that is called earth revolution. That means it around the sun. Around the sun. Yes. How earth rotate? Yes, the earth rotate around the sun in a regular path. In a regular path is called orbit. In a regular path is called orbit. What is called orbit? What is called orbit? Orbit means the earth rotate around the sun in a regular path is called as orbit. Listen, this is the sun. This is the sun. Yes, the earth, this is the earth. This is called orbit. Listen, this is the sun, this is the earth. The earth always rotate it a fixed and regular path. Fixed and regular path. It is called as a revolution. Understand or not? We learn the two important motions of the earth is called as earth rotation and earth revolution. It is the revolution. This is called the orbit. It is a fixed path, no change. So, in the same distance from the sun, the earth is always rotated. This situation is called as orbit. This is called orbit. Okay. In the rotation, the earth take its one rotation one day, that is called 24 hours I told. But how much time take earth to complete its one revolution? Approximately 1 year. Approximately 1 year. Do you know how many days of 1 year? Yes. There are 365 days. 365 days. Yes or no? Generally, we have to say. So, this year is called as general year. This is called as a general year. In this year, the February month have 28 days. It is called as general year. How many days will how many time will complete for one revolution of that 1 year? Yes. Do you know what I explained to you? Yes. Listen. Strictly we says it is approximately only 365. Actually, 365 1/4 days. Understand? Actually, 365 by 1/4 days to take complete one revolution. It is exact. Right. Yes, listen. For every 4 years, these the remaining 1/4 is added to every 4 years. That is called 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1 day. Is equal to 1 day. Yes, this 1 day added to this year 365 plus 1 is equal to 366 days in a year. This is called a leap year. This is called a leap year. In a leap year, February month have 29 days. Understand? In the month of February, there are 29 days. So, this is called a leap year. This is called a leap year. Once again, the earth have two motions, earth rotation and earth revolution. Rotation means the earth rotate around itself like a top on its own axis. Axis means I told an imaginary line which is connected to the ends, that is north pole to south pole through middle of the earth is called as axis I told. Okay. Due to revolution, the earth takes, there are 365 1/4 days. As these 4 days, these 1/4 may added to this year. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4 is equal to 1 day. So, if you 1 day added to this general year, so this is called general year, this is called a leap year. Do you know, in the leap year, there are two major things happened in the world. There are two major things happened in the world, that is called as one is Olympics games will be held for every 4 years. Olympics games will be conducted for every 4 years. That is only in leap year. The second important incident is for every 4 years, particularly in the leap year, the American president elections will be conducted. This year, 2020, this year in the month of November, as American president elections will be conducted every year. Okay, this is the information about the earth rotation. For rotation only 24 hours, that is called 1 day approximately, but exactly how to say that how many minutes, as 23 hours 56 minutes 4.09 seconds. This is exact. Students, as a remaining information, we may remaining information we may learn in the next class. Thank you.